Welcome back. Today we're here with a special guest, Dean Corrigal from Leisure Travel Vans. He came all the way down from Canada here to Mesa, Arizona. We're here at the Mesa RV Adventure B-Van Show. And so thanks for coming out today.
Thank you, man.
It's good to have you.
Great to have you.
Yeah, it's great to meet you.
My pleasure.
So can you tell us about the new display here?
Yeah, well, this is pretty exciting, right? Because we have our own leisure store inside probably the most incredible indoor RV showroom in North America. I've never seen anything like this before. So we have our own leisure store inside the La Mesa store here in Mesa, Arizona.
Perfect.
We have every single leisure travel van here on display, right? Every single day of the year.
Perfect.
Pretty spectacular, man.
Do you mind spending a few minutes, just give us a tour of one of the vehicles?
I would love to. Yeah, let's have a walk around and let's have a look at all of them. Okay,
awesome. We're going to take a tour next.
Okay. Hey, Brock, we got a pretty good special for you. You're going to be the first ones to see this before anybody else. New decor package, we call it Desert Shadow. And we've done a really cool design on it. Exterior, this is called Canyon Color Special. It's an entire package. You can do it on any of our Unity floor plans. We have the beautiful black accent package, which gives us all the raised leisure and the logo and the black tail lights. Look absolutely fantastic. So we really like that. And this is going to be a special package that we're going to do for the 2026 model year, which we just started building. I guess one of the big things, of course, we've gone to Alcoa rims. So we have the 6 aluminum rims, but we've done them in black.
Very cool.
So that is so cool. I mean, Alcoa is pretty pumped up about that for us doing that. So they made them special for us. And we also have an optional all-terrain tire that you can do with the package. It looks great. So we have some nice badging on the outside, which makes it look good. And then one of the big things that we've done on all of our models, we have a brand new door, which a lot of people have not seen yet. So we've added a new door, kind of seamless, kind of ties in. You can see we're the only company that has a beautiful curved wall, right? So we kind of tied the new door into the curved wall. So it comes out of Europe. It has a double hinge system here and here, which locks it in place. And of course, it's got a hidden screen here, which is very cool. And then of course, our hidden screen here as well. But come on inside, we're just going to show you some of the package. So we've done a special ultra fabric color on it. We've also done a two-tone ultra fabric driver passenger seats. I mean, they look just spectacular, right? So
it looks great.
Yeah, and we've done a new Corian countertop for the package and new uppers as well. And of course, you can see all the black faucets and all the hardware is done in black as well. So very cool. Handles are all done. Of course, we have soft close on all of our doors. So this is our twin bed model. Now you can get this package on any floor plan, but this is kind of our traditional twin, which is a very cool floor plan. Have 2 separate twin beds. This also makes into one big king bed. So you have 4 seat belts, sleeping up to 4 because we have a bed up front. We have an optional air bed mattress that goes up front. Kind of this blocks off, so you have 2 private areas, front and back, which is really nice. If somebody was sleeping in, I can just, block this off. And now I've got this entire living area, right? And don't forget, we're a real small motorhome. We are 25 feet, 1 inch bumper to bumper. So to have this kind of space is really unbelievable in a non-slide motorhome. So twin bed with the desert package. It looks really, really good. Really like it.
Nice color, especially out here in the desert.
Yeah, we kind of made it for this area, right? So the Arizona, California desert area, this is kind of the inspiration. Our design ladies at the factory worked real hard on it. We wanted something special for this area. Kind of ties in with the new store and everything. So it's actually really cool.
Yeah, that goes great. And I noticed some of the pebble gray colors. Yeah, those are very popular.
They are. Yep. And this is one of the most trending colors in the fabric industry. This color brown. So we really jumped right on it. So we really like it. And I love what they did with the chairs. It looks very automotive looking. And of course, we reupholstered the Mercedes-Benz chairs so that they're a lot nicer than the standard fabric ones.
Yeah, is this cat skin or is this
so this is called Ultra Fabric. It's a synthetic man-made leather. That's a great question. Synthetic man-made leather originally comes out of Japan. so it doesn't get hot, doesn't get cold, doesn't mildew. So if it's 120 outside, put your hand on there, it's not going to burn your hand, right?
Man.
Or where I come from, if it's minus 30, it's not going to freeze my hand or crack.
Got it, yeah.
So Ultra Fabrics. Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah. So kind of a cool little twin bed model here. So we really like that.
There we go. Just adjust that.
Love the new door. I love the hidden door here. You can see
so
lock
this is
here,
like
lock there.
So this shape right here, was there a specific reason why they curved it?
Yeah, we wanted to have something different. We wanted to have really a different look than the traditional shoebox that everybody else has, right?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you know, everybody's RV is a straight box, right? So we wanted a curved wall. So we actually make all of this stuff ourselves in our factory. We vacuum bond all of our walls, roof and floor. So you have 2 one-piece walls, one piece floor, one piece roof, and then we vacuum bond this. So most manufacturers pinch roll, so they can only make a flat wall. Because the pinch roll wouldn't be strong enough to create the curve, right? Because we put this in a vacuum press, we press it for over an hour, that's how we create the curve.
Oh, very cool. Very cool.
But when you have a curved wall, now everything else has to have a curve, right?
Yeah,
including the door.
Yeah, I noticed when I opened the door, I saw that curve. I'm like, how the heck do you guys do that?
Exactly, yeah. So that's very cool. And, you know, all your transition moldings all have to be curved. So this is all molded fiberglass. Rear mask is all molded fiberglass.
It's
so
really
we
nice.
use a Girard awning too. So, I mean, it looks good, right?
Yeah, it looks great. And I noticed the awning doors, they have the heavy duty construction.
Yep.
Is it fiberglass?
Yep, that's right. Yep.
Okay.
That's correct. Yeah, all of we use this is called an EPDM rubber hinge seal, comes out of Europe. So that way we don't have, you know, hinges, rubber or metal hinges that would then rust, you know, over time. And that rust would go on to my beautiful full body paint,
this
right?
is actually the hinge?
Yep, that's called an EPDM rubber hinge seal. Comes out of Europe. Yep. So we bring that in. So we really like it because it just doesn't allow, you know, rusting to go on to our beautiful paint. Because you got to remember, each color is painted 3 times, 2 coats of clear. You know, it's a beautiful paint job. We paint it at our factory. And then of course this one has 540 amps of lithium, 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. So I can run my air conditioner dry camping. I don't have to turn on the generator. We do have a generator on board. The generator is designed to protect the battery. So it's got auto gen start. So batteries get low, generator comes on, recharges the house batteries at 150 amps an hour. Right? So there's no way you're going to recharge lithium batteries any way faster, right?
Yeah.
You can have a second alternator, but it doesn't work when it's on idle. Mercedes-Benz doesn't allow it, right? They don't even like the Mercedes-Benz chassis idling. As a matter of fact, if you idle it for more than 2 hours, you void your warranty. So the generator's there to protect the batteries. The batteries are there so you can enjoy RV.
Very nice.
Yeah, very simple system, but a very smart system. Yeah. So that is the Desert Shadow paint decor package.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And is this a rear wheel drive or
rear wheel drive? Yep. So all the
okay.
Mercedes are rear wheel drive. So this is the new 4-cylinder engine, 9-speed transmission, produces over 208 horsepower and just over 330 foot-pounds of torque. So
that's perfect.
She flies.
Yeah,
and gets great fuel economy.
Yeah, I love. When I had my Sprinter, I loved it. So I use that for work. But
that's right. Well, you know,
that's kind of what got me into these. So.
Yeah, exactly. So I really like the package. So that's you're the first ones to see it. So
well, Dean, thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate you coming and visiting with us. So
thank you. In the display looks amazing.
Look at that, eh?
This whole
our leisure display. Yep, we have all the models here. I mean,
yeah, check out all the models that they have here.
The Kimbrell family did a great job. You know, they own La Mesa, and they've just beautiful.
Yeah.
Yep.
Beautiful setup.
You can see we always use the Girard awning. It's got wind sensor on it. Automatically closes if the wind blows.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
It's going to save you a lot of headaches.
Yeah. That's a new color there too for 2026. That's called sandstone. It's just beautiful.
Is it the upper part that's sandstone or the whole thing?
We call it sandstone.
Oh,
we use kind of the white lower and then the sandstone. It really changes color when you're outside.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
This is gorgeous. Yeah, it's almost like a bronzy
color. I mean, one thing about a leisure travel van, you can see them from miles away because just they're very unique looking.
They are.
You know, nothing else looks like a leisure travel van.
Yeah, as soon as we had a Unity pull in a pre-owned one, but instantly I knew it was leisure.
Yep.
Just before I even saw the symbol.
Yeah.
So, gorgeous. Well, you guys do amazing. The quality is amazing on these.
Yeah, we're a small family business. We've been building RVs since 1965. So, that's kind of what we do. So, we're not the biggest RV manufacturer in the world. We don't really care to be. We just want to build great RVs and keep our customers happy. That's kind of our goal. Pretty simple goal.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Dean, thanks so much for coming out today. We really enjoyed the tour.
Thank you.
So
I had a great time, man. Great meeting you. And thanks for coming, showing our product to all your subscribers. We really appreciate it. And
thank you.
Man, if you ever have any questions, you give me a call, or you want to come do a factory tour, you come up to Canada and we'll walk you through the Leisure Travel Van factory. We've been building RVs since 1965.
I would definitely love that. My family would love that too.
Love to have you.
Okay. Guys, thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Also, please check out Leisure Travel Vans on their channel, where you can see more of Dean and his awesome tours. So,
you're too kind. We always say, smash the bell.
So we hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.